Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Across. In this video I'll show you how to change contents of instrument cluster. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster. Navigate through it via this panel. On the steering wheel, press and hold OK button. Now, when you see these two white markings, scroll left or right to change menu. Now scroll up and down to change contents. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.